Hello, fellow adventurers, and welcome back to another episode of McPeek Adventures. I'm Sawyer.
I'm Danny.
And today we are at Livesay Orchards
In Porter, Oklahoma.
Time to pick some peaches.
To give you a little bit of information here, it is $5 per person, and then it's $2.75 per pound of peaches, and they said that if you fill this up to the top, it's about $63.
We are headed into the peach orchard, which is full of all of these trees that the peaches grow on. Danny, when was the last time you picked peaches?
I don't know if I ever have.
Did you know that Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peaches? How many pickled peaches did Peter Piper pick?
Oh my goodness.
I like this. This looks like a tall man's game.
Oh.
Do you think we're gonna run into James out here?
James and his giant peach?
Yeah.
It's possible.
A fun farming fact about myself is I'm actually slightly allergic to peaches, so anytime I eat them, my mouth starts to itch. So while I am having fun picking these, Danny will be the one doing all of the tasting.
Have you picked peaches before? Because I have not, so what is your method?
Is there a method?
Is there a method?
Finding any you like?
Yep, found a lot. I'm just having a hard time knowing if, like, they all look very good, but they're kind of like apple firmness, so I don't know if I just have to wait for them to ripen, but they do look like really pretty. I hope I'm doing this right. That's all I gotta say. I hope I'm doing this right.
That's pretty good.
I think we have hit our limit here on peach picking because this box is getting kind of heavy. I would say maybe I have at least 10 pounds here, and I'm not exactly sure what I want to do with them yet, so I don't want to overdo it, but this looks like a good peach picking to me.
Adventurers, our time here at the Livesay Orchard has come to an end.
If you enjoyed this McPeek adventure and want to see more of our content, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on our social media platforms.
We'll see you on our next adventure! Peaches, 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 I love you!
I swore I wasn't going to sing it today.
Peaches, 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 peaches.
Still not going to do it. I will not do it.
I love you.